Okay, hey, this is Marjorie, and I love doing these kind of videos. This is an unboxing video, so I got the seed bank. Oh, this thing is pretty heavy. From Texas Ready, from Lucinda and Kurt. Come vicariously join me in this not quite Christmas experience. So it came packaged pretty well, and let's open it up. So we got, some of the classic styrofoam stuff. And, right on top, important documents. Please read. We'll get to those next week. No, seriously, I'm starting to learn to follow directions. Let's see what's in here. What did I screw up recently because I didn't read the directions? Oh, here's a charge controller for my golf cart. I blew it up and then I had to buy another one. Okay, well this is like something I am going to have to read offline because I don't want to bore you with that. All right, so we got some, oh yeah, here we go. Oh my goodness. I forgot what size I ordered. I think this is like the 6-person or the 8-person one. And true to their word, it comes in an ammo can, which is pretty freaking awesome. I love ammo cans. Man, these things are just rugged, last forever, a really, really good thing. All right, so I'm going to open her up. Oh, yeah. This is what it looks like when it's packed. Gardener's Vegetable Bible. This is a really good book. Yeah, seriously. That's a really good book. Let me not go that good. This one, the Mint Leader Gardening Course, this is also, and this is the book that for the gardening system that they recommend. And then I'm looking for what else we have in here. Okay, we got a lot of, it's a nice book about Jesus. So beans and more seeds and more seeds. We got lots and lots of seeds. And these are in really good solid plastic bags. So this is really, really awesome stuff. So, and a Texas Ready mineral pack. These are the trace minerals that you need. And if you remember on the Mint Leader system, this is purely a chemical approach, which I really appreciate, that you do need the chemical physical level. And they recommend you also get some NPK and some magnesium. The magnesium would be like from Epsom salts, and NPK is pretty available everywhere. Yeah, and so lots and lots of seeds, and it's really nice. Big ones. This one's soybeans. I never used to like soybeans until I grew them myself. So lots and lots. Oh, some beautiful corn. Beautiful red corn. We got some nice calorie crops in here. Peas, black-eyed peas, red beans. Love that they have these solid, calorie-producing crops in here. More beans. You get a really good variety of them. I think those are beets. Yeah, some awesome stuff. Here's another whole bag of corn. Wonderful. This is the chart that they were talking about, the Mint Leader growing chart that gives you all the information on what to plant when and how much fertilizer you need. So all of this, and this is just really an amazing. All right, so maybe I'm not the most organized person in the world, but just a lot of really good seeds, and all in a container that will last forever. And I'm going to see what it says here. Oh, there goes the knife. I didn't know they made ammo cans this big. And then they got that other one, the what is it, the Vault or something, that has like, it's huge. So anyway, let's see what this says. This is still, a little nearsighted still. So Instructions, the contents: peppers, carrots, squash, corn, lettuce, cabbage, beets, watermelon, mustard, cantaloupe, onions, eggplant, beans, Brussels sprouts, pumpkins, broccoli, tomatoes, chard, asparagus, spinach, cauliflower, celery, peas, turnips, radishes, cucumbers, and zucchini. So it tells you where you should, from dirt to dinner. Wow. Okay. From beans to barter. Amazing. Texas Ready. So this is what the Liberty Seed Bank is. And again, I think that this is the 6-person kit. And in retrospect, I probably really would have liked to have gotten a much bigger kit, because these are going to be amazing trade items. And as you saw in the interview, and they're hopeful that they're going to be able to keep doing stuff, and they've been amazing at not raising their prices for a decade. But that's got to end, and they're pretty sure that they're not going to have this kind of variety available going forward, just because of the tariffs and all the trade breaking down. So this is the time. If you need something, this is something you really do need to stock up on, because growing food, you can't grow food without seeds. So highly recommended. And yeah, it's a really, really good kit. So go over to Texas Ready, and they will throw in, I think the pack that they're going to throw in for free is bigger than this. It's a year's worth of trace minerals for pretty much what you're going to be growing. These are just minerals that can store forever. They don't, they're just ground up rocks, but they're 16 different trace minerals that are essential. So I think this is just a fantastic kit. Yeah, so the packet that they send you is valued at $25, and if you put the coupon code GROW in there, then they'll toss in an extra package for you. So there you go. I'm kind of rethinking that I might order a bigger one, because this is money. As the U.S. dollar falls apart, this has got real value. Okay, that's a quick unboxing of the Texas Ready Seed Bank. I highly recommend it. Kurt and Lucinda, just super hardworking, down to earth, really great people to work with. Their prices are extremely reasonable, and they're preppers that go way back, so small business support also. Okay, TexasReady.net, coupon code GROW. I'll see you later.